Hello and welcome to my channel. We're gonna do this stitch. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat and it works with even numbers. I'm gonna work with 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. I have here 12 chains. We're gonna do a small sample, and after you chain your even numbers of chains, depends what you choose to do, just chain even numbers. You're gonna chain 2 more. 1, 2. We're gonna skip the first 2 chains, and into the third chain we're gonna do in there 3 double crochet together. So 1, go back again and do the second and the third one. 4 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 4 loops, chain 2, 1 and 2. Now how we're gonna work this row until we finish this one? We're gonna skip the next stitch, the next chain, and into the next chain we're gonna do 4 double crochet together. So 1, go back again into the same chain, the second, third and the fourth double crochet. Now you have 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 2, skip the next chain, and into the next we're gonna repeat 4 double crochet together in that same chain. 4 double crochet together, or whatever, how many together, that means you're not finishing the double crochet. So 5 loops on the hook, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 2. And we're gonna do like this until we finish this row. Skip the next chain, and into the next we're gonna repeat 4 double crochet together. Five loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 2. Skip the next chain, and into the next 4 double crochet together. Pull the yarn through all the loops, chain 2. Skip the next chain, and into the next 4 double crochet together. Pull the yarn through all the loops, then into the last chain we're gonna do a double crochet. You're not gonna chain anything after you close those 4 double crochet, so you're not gonna chain anything in there. So we're gonna do a double crochet. Yeah. It's gonna look like this. So this is one of the rows. This stitch has 2 rows repeat, so this is one of the rows. Now we're gonna chain 2, turn your work, yarn over the hook, and we're gonna go around this 4 double crochet together, and we're gonna do a front post double crochet, chain 1, and we're gonna move to the next cluster, and you're gonna go around that, you see, like that, and we're gonna do a front post double crochet, chain 1, move to the next cluster and do a front post double crochet, chain 1, and we move to the next cluster and we repeat. So this is the second row that you're gonna repeat. Move to the next one and do a front post double crochet around that cluster, chain 1, and we have the last cluster here, so we're gonna go around those 3 double crochet together and do a front post double crochet. We're not gonna chain anything, and now we're gonna go to that chain here at the end and on top the top chain, in there we're gonna do a double crochet. Chain 2, turn your work, and now we're gonna repeat the row with 4 double crochet together. So we have the double crochet from the previous row here. So through the stitch on top, through the stitch, we're gonna do in there 3 double crochet together. Only in the beginning you're gonna do 3 double crochet together. So you're gonna have only in the beginning 4 loops. Pull the yarn through all 4 loops, chain 2. Now we're gonna move to the next double crochet, or the front post from the previous row, and we're gonna do in there 4 double crochet together through that stitch of the front post from the previous row. So now you're gonna have 5 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through all 5 loops, chain 2, move to the next double crochet or the front post, and through the stitch, you're gonna put in there 4 double crochet together. And these are the rows that you're gonna repeat on and on and on. It's quite easy. Chain 2, move to the next double crochet, and you're gonna put in there 4 double crochet together. Chain 2, move to the next double crochet, and we're going to put in there 4 double crochet together. I think for a summer blanket, baby blanket, even an adult blanket with a thinner yarn, I think it's nice. So we have at the end here the front post, the last one from the previous row, and the chain 2. So we're gonna go to that front post through the stitch, and we're gonna do the same 4 double crochet together. Five loops, pull the yarn through all 5 loops, don't chain anything, and you're gonna go to the second chain on top there, through here, and you're gonna do a double crochet. Now you're gonna chain 2, and now you're gonna repeat the row with the front post double crochet. So you have the first cluster here, you're gonna go around that, and you're gonna do a front post double crochet, chain 1, move to the next, and you're gonna do the same, front post double crochet, chain 1, move to the next, and so on. Chain 1, you move to the next, and with this you can change colors if you like. You can work with variegated yarn or just one color. We're not going to chain anything now, so we're going to go on top of the second chain, and we're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 2, and now you're going to repeat the row with 4 double crochet together. So this is the stitch. It's quite easy, and I think if you want to finish, maybe you should finish when you do this. You finish the row with the front post double crochet, and then when you turn your work, you're gonna chain 1, and in each stitch and chain through the chain, you're gonna do a single crochet to close the work if you want. Well, I hope you like this stitch and you can find something to do with this stitch. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.